So hello guys, welcome to my new vlog and the new updates are here and once again I'm starting to make the vlogs. I don't know why I'm not consistent. Like from the last 7 days I was not making any vlog and today I'm making a vlog. So from the last 4 hours, like it's 4:30 a.m. in the morning and from the last 2 hours I was watching Reel because I installed Insta before 1 or 2 weeks ago and I was not using it. So I thought just let's go and just watch the Reels and I will say by the time like one thing God hit me like my mom once told me. So just let me tell you this in Hindi कि लाइक आई एम डूइंग अ जॉब राइट नाउ एंड मैं अभी 1900 की चप्पल पहनता हूँ, ठीक है. सो माई मॉम वंस कैजुअली टोल्ड मी कि डोंट फॉरगेट द डे कि भाई जब मेरी चप्पल गुम गई थी 20 रुपए की, लाइक एट द टाइम वो चप्पल 20 रुपए की आती थी, कि तुम कहाँ से उठ के आए हो क्योंकि वो 20 रुपए की चप्पल जब तुमने घुमा दी थी, हम दुर्गा जी देखने गए थे जब, तो तुम्हारे पापा ने वो 20 रुपए की चप्पल पूरे बनखेड़ी शहर में धुई थी. सो डोंट एवर फॉरगेट फ्रॉम वेयर यू कम. सो वो या मुझे अभी एकदम से वही बात याद आई जब मैं रील देख रहा था जब. सो राइट नाउ एंड आज मैं जा रहा हूँ पचमढ़ी एंड अभी जाके चाय बनाऊंगा एंड देन आई विल हैव मेक अ टी एंड देन आई विल and how I can say like I will drink it and yeah bye bye. I am going Pachmari guys with a bike bye bye. So guys now I am going to Pachmari guys and I was doing a cool start of my bike. So yeah, right now I'm going bye bye. Let's meet you when I will meet Ayush भैया. So guys मैं आ चुका हूँ आयुष भैया के घर पे उनको लेने के लिए और I'm looking like this. So guys अब हम लोग आ चुके हैं तेल डलवाने के लिए. 660 हाँ
660
हाँ. So guys right now we took our first break for a tea and there is Ayush भैया. And it's Matkuli. Here you can see a lot of guys, people are going to Matkuli. Let me finish our tea. Bye bye. So guys, we took our first break near some kind of turn and right now here you can see the beauty of Pachmari. I don't know you can see or not. And there the sun is rising and here you can say Ayush bhaiya. It's a pretty nice place I can say. So Ayush bhaiya.
hello what's up
Yeah, nice. So guys, we just took the stuff for some kind of a breakfast. Sorry for the breakfast. And here you can see it's Pachmari. Nice. Now we will have some breakfast. So guys, after breakfast, like we have reached to our first spot. It's Pandav Caves. And right now we are going there. Here you can see like we have to walk around 500 steps and it's here the viewpoint is there. Here you can see the top. So there we are going. Bye bye. So guys, right now we are at the top of Pandav Cave. Here you can see and here you can see Ayush Bhaiya. Yes, here now. Yeah. So guys, right now we are at Pandav Caves and here the whole female group has came for a picnic. And actually we are clicking some kind of photos. Here you can see. So guys, we have finally reached to Mahadev. Yeah, we have finally reached to Mahadev Mandir. Yeah, what? And right now it's 50 meters. Like we have to how I can say like we have to walk for 50 to 60 meters and then there will be a temple. And I don't know, like in Pachmari we are just riding the bikes. Like actually we were going Dhupgarh, but we have seen the roads and we came back from middle way. I don't know why. So here you can see like the
He don't shit us there. That's why we came back.
yeah. And it's very hard to ride bike unless you don't have any adventure or touring bike. So it's very easy to ride there. And here you can see we are going. There are a lot of monkeys. Let me show you where they are. Yeah, here they are. Oh, it's dog. Guys, here you can see like we have reached to Mahadev temple. And this water that is coming, it is coming through the hills. And it's pure water, like 100%. That's the big advantage. Like I have to, it will turn off and see. Like here is the mandir. I will not make the video. And you can see the pujari. Guys, here I have seen one Basmukund, and this all water is coming through this hill. It's more kind of a Panda Gufa, and right now we are going to Kala Dev Mandir. Yeah, most probably there. Yeah. Hey, you can see the water is clean, guys. A lot. So, guys, here you can see the Parvati Gufa, and something it looks. Take blessing from her, and you get all the success that you deserve, guys. And right now we are going to down. So, guys, we have finally reached to our hotel. Here you can see our room. Here it's bed. Here it's water. Here it's my helmet. And here it's me. And you can see the washroom. It's clean or not. Yeah, it's clean. And Noor is cleaning his face right now.
We need to.
Yeah, okay. You need to. So right now we are going for some lunch, you can say, guys. So guys, right now we are roaming around on the streets of Pachmari, and we are finding some food so we can have a lunch. Boy, here you can see the streets. Make Dutin. And here you can see hotels, Satpura. Yeah. So guys, right now we are having a lunch, and here you can see it's having a lot of oil and the less chana, and it's butter roti. So guys, we just woke up right now. Actually, I show you when you woke up.
I woke up around 6 p.m.
Yeah, he just got woke up at 6 p.m. And you know the founder Hassan, so he directly seated and started to work. And right now we are going for some dinner. Maybe we are having a very light dinner tonight, because in tomorrow morning we will feel bloating. That's why. Bye bye. So guys, our first meal has came. It's aloo paratha with some sauce and achar, a pickle. And our next order will be pizza. Like we are having a light dinner tonight. Bye bye. So guys, finally it's 3 a.m. in the morning, and right now we have moved to the streets of Pachmari right now. And it's all around darkness here, and we are just roaming. And we are not able to sleep, so just we are going to find some breakfast. So let's see we are able to find it or not. Here you can see. So guys, right now we are finding tea, and all the people are saying here like wait for 30 minutes, and then one guy will open the shop, and then we can have a tea. So let's see how it goes. And here you can see this guy. He's roaming around. And we are also roaming on the streets of Pachmari, guys. And there you can see Innova is going on from our back end. Here you can see the Sankur, PNG Vidyala and the Gopal. So good morning, guys. It's the next day and we finally woke up and we have done the checkout from the hotel, and right now we have came for breakfast. Here you can see we are having aloo ka paratha. Guys, and our next stop is for tea. This is Dadu and he is Ayush Bhaiya. So guys, right now we have came to Pachmari, sorry, Rajendra Giri, yeah. And here you can see Ayush here. And they have charged us around 15 rupees for the parking. Let's go. Yeah. So, right, yeah. So right now we are going to Pachmari Rajendra Giri, guys.
Let's see how it is. Let's see.
Yeah, let's see how it is. I think it will be a good place because I have seen it before. And here you can see. So, what will you rate this out of 10? The greenery?
7.5.
7.5. Yeah, here you can see, guys. Like a lot of tourists are coming, and the first time I have seen the foreign tourists here. Like how I can say, like after 6 to 7 years, there are someone. So, guys, we are finally reached the destination, and what a wonderful view, guys. Just let me show you. See this, guys. See this. What a greenery it have. So guys, we are finally done with the Rajendra Giri, and right now where we are going? Jatasankar. Maybe, yeah, we are going Jatasankar right now. So let's see you there. Bye bye. So guys, before leaving out Rajendra Giri, we have found a new place. Here only in Rajendra Giri. Here you can see. भाई सही लग रही है भाई. Just let's go down. मोबाइल ना गिरे, मोबाइल ना गिरे. Here you can see, guys. ये देखो. Just rate it out of 10, please.
What?
So guys, right now we have came to our second spot, and it's Jheel Pachmari. So like I can say like it's pretty clean. Here you can see, and where there the people where they went. Yeah, here it's, you can see people are traveling or hike. How I can say like riding a boat. Hey, what do you think? We should go for it.
Nah, I'm not doing it.
Why? Like he's scared of water, guys. I used to be scared of waters. So you know what to do. Bye bye. Just let's meet you when we will be there in Jatasankar. So guys, right now we have came to our fourth spot, and it's Jatasankar temple. You can see this guy, what he is doing. क्या देख रहे हो? हाँ. Just let me show you guys. Water is coming from somewhere. Ah, it's looking clean water, no? Yeah. It's looking clean water, guys. And right now we are going in temple. Bye bye. So guys, right now we are going under the hills, guys. And what you will say, Ayush bhaiya, you have to walk like for 500 meters.
Let's see how that goes.
Yeah.
We're tired and exhausted, but let's see.
Yeah, this guy is exhausted, and like we have slept for like how you can say
4 hours, 5 hours.
Yeah, no, like we have slept for more, yeah. Like we have went to sleep.
Slept at 6, right? We woke up at 11.
Yeah, we slept for 5 hours, guys. And yesterday also like we have slept for 6-7 hours. So we should be energetic. I'm thinking like it's okay, like we are going there, but when we will come back from here, how we will come back, I don't know. So guys, it's over 200 meters, and we are still walking, and still we haven't until find the temple, guys. Yeah, maybe we have find it. Yeah, here you can see, guys. And ask from this guy. Like how will you rate it out of 10?
0.
Why? Because you have to walk a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, getting it, guys. Here you can see. Sit. So guys, here you can see these are the straight stairs. Straight. And here is the temple. You can see, just let me show you. Yeah, here, this is the temple. This is. And right now we are walking. Hut. So guys, here you can see like where the water is storing, and here they are using motors. And it's the old road, here you can see, to come this temple, and something how it looks. And just let me show you a very good thing. Here you can see the how down we have came. So guys, here you can see he's the next co-founder of the $1 million company, and what he's doing.
भाई पानी भर रहे हैं.
And why you're not drinking the Bisleri bottle?
No money, no fund, no money.
Ah, really? So guys, like we have to walk around 400 meters, and it's the uphill. So let's see. I will give you about update whether I'm going to reach it or not. If the vlog will come, then obviously I will reach. I have reached. If the vlog will not come, then you will understand. Yeah, I'm not anymore. So guys, we are finally done with walking. I don't know how much more we have to walk. You can see this guy. You can see his body and his stamina. So that's why I say, guys, making the body is not important. Stamina is important, you know?
Nice.
You know, am I right?
Right.
Yeah, you can see. Mummy, bachalo. So guys, we have finally reached to our bike, and right now we will have a tea, and then we will move back to Piparia. So guys, finally we are having a tea right now. Here you can see, and I will say Tapri wali chai is greater than any other hotel. You can see him. So next stop on the top. Yeah. So guys, finally done with the Pachmari, and right now we are back to Piparia. So guys, finally we have took our first break on our way to Piparia. And bro, how your ass is feeling? The guy बच गया.
नहीं लैपटॉप नहीं जाएगा.
And there you can see, guys. And now let's meet when we will reach Piparia. Bye bye guys. So guys, let me show you the last stop. Like I don't know why they have closed this, but like this is one of the best spots in Pachmari. Here you can see. So guys, finally done with the photo, and right now we are back to Piparia. Bye bye.
В лес приходит сказка, снег